Welcome back, my dear students, to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am, and we are doing arithmetic progression. And today we are going to start 5.2 exercise. Till now, what we have done in first exercise, we have just learnt that how to check whether the given series of number is AP or not by finding out the common difference. And if it is AP, we just learnt how to calculate the terms, whatever the terms required of that AP. We learnt how to find out A, the first term, and common difference. Now, dear students, in second exercise, we are going to use the formula, the term formula, which is denoted by Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we will use this formula in second exercise. So let's proceed. And before starting the exercise, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe it. If you like my videos, give the like and comment on the video. So let's start. So dear students, before starting the exercise, write down the formula in your notebook. An is equal to An, we denote it by An or Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Here An is the nth term, means it is the person. For example, if it is your class, this is the person. A is the first term, means first student. N is the number of terms. S आ गया बेटा. N और term की और terms यहाँ difference देखना है. अगर terms word लिखा है, means there are 9 terms in the series, that means n is given to you. But agar th, nth term or third term, fourth term, 21st term n दिए तो वो an given होगा, हमेशा याद रखना, right? If terms s आ जाता है, means that is only n. लेकिन अगर term word बोला है तो वो an है, because this is the confusion which you will face in the exercise. Now this is the common difference. So let's read the first question now. What is our first question? Fill in the blanks in the following table, given that A is the first term and D is the common difference and An is the nth term of AP. Now a table is given to us, and as you can see in the formula, there are 4 things required. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 An, number 2 A, number 3 N, number 4 D. So out of these 4 terms in this table, any 3 terms, 3 values are given to you and you have to find out the 4th value. For example, आपको A, N और D दे रखा है, you have to find out A, N by putting the values in this formula. आपको A, N, A और D दिया है, you need to find out N. तो formula will be same, but out of the 4 things, 3 things are given to you in the question. Like in the first part, A is given as 7, D is given as 3, N is given as 8, and under An it is a blank, means we need to find out An. In the third part, C, A is blank, means we need to find out A, D is minus 3, N is 18, An is minus 5. So in this way, out of the 4 things, 3 things are given to us, and we will solve the 4th one by using this formula. So let us start. So make the table in your notebook using pencil and scale. Be very careful. You have to use pencil and scale to make the table. And now let us start the first part. First of all, write down the formula in every question, because you will get the marks for the formula. Now let us see An. In the first part, An is not given to us, so we will write it as it is. Now A. What is A? It is 7 plus bracket N. What is N? It is 8. Then minus 1 from the formula into D. What is D? It is 3. So let us solve it. 7 plus, according to board mass, always do the calculation. First bracket must be solved. So 8 minus 1 is 7 multiplied by, now I can put the bracket or the multiply sign. Now before adding, multiplication should be done. तो बच्चे क्या कर देते हैं, पहले add then multiply. No. So 7 plus 21, so 28 is the An term for the first part, right? Now similarly, let us do the second part. Second part, let us write the formula once again. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in the second part, as you can see, a is given to us and d is missing, n is given to us an. So let us put the value of an. It is 0, so let us put it as 0. Then a is minus 18. Be very careful about the given sign. N is 10, within the bracket minus 1 into d. D is missing, we'll write it as it is. So let us solve it. We'll take minus 18 to right hand side. 0 plus 18, sign will be changed. 10 minus 1 is 9d. So 0 plus 18 is 18, and it is multiplying. When it goes to other side, it will get divided. So d will be, d kitna aa jayega, 9 2s are 18. So dear students, try the remaining parts also yourself before looking at the video. Now again, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now look at the third part. Now a is missing to us. An is given to us as minus 5. So put the value is equal to, what is a? It is missing. So write it as it is, plus bracket n. What is n? It is 18 minus 1 from the formula multiplied by d. What is d? Minus 3. Now be very careful. If you'll write without the bracket, it will look like as you are subtracting 3. So that's why you should put it in the bracket, because it is getting multiplied by the bracket. So be very careful at this step. So minus 5 plus is equal to a. Then again move according to the BODMAS property. 18 minus 1 is 17 and multiplied by minus 3. Now just solve it and get the answer. Plus minus minus, and 17 3s are 51, and just take it to the other side to get the answer. And what will be your answer? So a will be 46. So in this way, be very careful while putting the values. If the value is negative, just keep it in mind that you have to put it in the bracket. Okay. Now similarly, try the next two parts also. Let us see the fourth part. So again, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an in this? We have 3.6. What is a? It is minus 18.9 plus n. Is it given to us? No. So write it as it is. Minus 1 into d. It is 2.5. If it is a positive value, then you can write it without the bracket. But if it is negative, do write it in the bracket. So let us quickly take it to the left hand side, and its sign will get changed like this, and let us solve it. Now this bracket can't be solved because n and 1 are there and both are unlike terms, so we can't subtract them. So what we can do, we'll write it as it is. Right? Now the two methods are there to solve this bracket. One is using the distributive property. You can go with the distributive property like 2.5 into n is 2.5n minus 2.5 into 1, 2.5. And the second one is that because it is multiplying by the whole bracket, so you by cross multiplication you can directly take it into the denominator. So first you add it. So we'll get 15. So this will be 12, 1, 2, 22.5, and now I'll take it to the denominator like this, n minus 1. So just solve it, remove the decimal, and you'll get it as 9. 25 9s are 225. So n minus 1 minus when goes to other side becomes plus. So n is equal to 10. So in this way, you will be able to solve this question. Now only one part is left. Try this part yourself.